The more your business grows, the more support you need. If you're looking for a better way to transform business processes, to automate, scale, and be agile as your business needs expand, it's time to unify your systems and say goodbye to tedious manual processes that are slowing you down. Together, Grow with SAP and Concur Expense offer a seamless, fully integrated spend management solution to help you manage your employee-initiated spend. S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition provides you with the speed, predictability, and continuous innovation you need in a scalable and customizable ERP solution that won't hold you back. When combined with Concur Expense, a world-class spend management solution, your expense data is fully integrated into a single, connected spend management system. Take advantage of solutions and services that adapt to global and country-specific regulations and evolving organizational requirements. Break down barriers with seamless data synchronization between Concur Expense and S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition for end-to-end visibility of all spending and accurate integration of financial postings, all in near real time. Get there faster with quick deployment and realize significant savings within your first year. Improve spend visibility to provide comprehensive oversight, reduce inefficiencies, and empower proactive financial decision-making, all while boosting productivity and enhancing the employee experience. Bring out your best with Grow with SAP and Concur Expense.